Coffee culture and road cycling culture has its home in Italy. And if you're searching for the most desirable road bike or coffee machine, there's no way around the Italian handmade product. Ciao ragazzi, ciao amici in bici. I'm excited to unbox the Linea Mini by Marzocco. A coffee machine I've spent 5 years dreaming of buying. And finally, I placed the order. Marzocco is an Italian company founded in Florence that produces 6 different lines of high-end coffee machines for restaurants and cafes. They've got 2 machines for private homes as well, the GS3 and the Linea Mini, which is, in my opinion, the world's most beautiful coffee machine. Linea Mini comes in a lot of different colors and upgrades. I've decided upon a plain, classic version. So let's unbox this beauty and reveal which color I've chosen. Actually, I'm a guy who enjoys buying stuff secondhand, but this machine is almost impossible to find on the secondhand market. And I must admit that I enjoy unboxing this beauty. So, did I choose a white machine? What a surprise! It makes a total matchy-matchy with my bar tape. So, let's fill up the water tank and turn the power on. A few minutes of heating and this beauty is ready to go. The accessory kit that comes with the machine consists of 2 bayonets for single and double servings, filter baskets, milk pitcher, water analysis kit, steel tamper and cleaning powder. Coming up next is unboxing the rest of the setup, Marzocco Barista kit and the Matzer coffee grinder. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned.